Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm doing review of Sparkle & Co dipping system, and I've done the unboxing video for this box. It's their subscription box which they give monthly, and do check out my description box to get more information about this system and where to buy it, their direct links. I will put everything in the description box for you guys. So here are the three colors they gave in the box, and they're so beautiful, each one of them, but I'll be using only one from all of these, which is called Baby Flamingo. It's like very light pink color with silver glitters in them, so I'll be using that. And they also give the instruction to follow, so I'll be following these instructions because I'm trying this for the first time, so I don't want to make a mistake, and I will try my best to follow these instructions. So let's get started then. First, I'll be cleaning all my nails with alcohol, so it will remove any oils or any debris from the nails and make it really clean. Next, I'll be using their base barn, and this is a very important bottle because we have to apply this every time you dip in the powder. You have to apply the base barn. So here I'm applying a thin coat of base barn, not completely to the cuticle, just on 3/4 of your nail, and dip it into the powder right away. Tap off any excess of the powder and use the fan brush to remove extra powder on the nails or the cuticles. Now here I'm applying a second coat of the base barn and dip it into the powder and repeat the same steps like before. And this is my final coat of base barn, and again dipping into the powder, tapping off the excess and removing any extra powder with the fan brush. Next, I will apply Solidify on my nails. Solidify will harden your nails. It will cure the nails very quickly and locking the color in place. After 30 seconds of drying Solidify, file all the edges of the nails and buff gently the top layer of the nail if needed. When you're happy with the filing, apply Solidify again to all of your nails and let it dry for 30 seconds. Finally, apply a glossy top coat on all of your nails. And right after that, apply a second coat of glossy top coat and let it dry for another 3 to 10 minutes. here I'm applying a cuticle oil to all of my nails so they look very moisturized and clean and presentable. So here's the final look of my dip powder nails, guys, and I'm really happy with the result, and I just love the color. It's so beautiful, and you know, the sparkles are so shimmery and so nice. And let me know in the comments below, how do you like it? If you need more information about the company, it's everything in the description box. And don't forget to use my coupon code if you want to buy anything from their website and save some money. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, and do hit the bell button for my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one then. Bye.